Hello and welcome. My name is Kathleen. I am the administrator for Legacy School. I wanted to just make a quick tutorial video for you to help you learn how to enroll for the paid course of Legacy School using your phone. So you can do this using either an Android phone or an Apple phone. It doesn't matter what kind of phone you have. Yours just might look slightly different than mine. As you can see, I have an Apple phone, an iPhone, and it's going to be exactly the same once we get into the website though. So here we go. The first thing you're going to want to do is open your internet browser. So depending on what kind of phone you have, you may choose the Safari browser or maybe the Google Chrome browser, or whichever opens your internet will work just fine. I actually have a preference for the Google Chrome, so I'm going to go ahead and open on there. Next, you will want to go to the Legacy School website, which is just going to be www.legacyschoolonline.com. That's www.legacyschoolonline.com. And go ahead and go. You'll end up on the front page of the Legacy School website. And if you want, you can watch this video right here in the center with Dr. Crawford, and he will give you a little bit of a rundown what's in school and why he would love to see you in there. But let's just go straight into enrolling. So you're going to come here. At the top right, you can see those three lines at the very top right of your phone, those gray lines. If you click that, it'll open up into a menu. And you can click on the word enroll, which is the second one down. Go ahead and click enroll. Oops, I kind of held it down for a second there. Click enroll, just one click. Then you'll come across the Legacy School course. Right here, it's the first one. And you'll go ahead and you see the button at the very bottom. It says enroll right under Dr. Crawford's name. Go ahead and click enroll. One click. All right, now you are basically on the information page. If you want to look at all of the details of Legacy School, what's going to be in the school, what the what the schedule is like, if you want to know all the details, you're going to keep scrolling and read all of those things. It keeps going for a long time, but for the sake of making it easy, we're just going to stay right here. And we've got two buttons here. So we've got a big red button that says subscribe now for $90 a month. And then we have a button right under that that says Third World Nations, apply for a scholarship here. So we have students from all over the world joining Legacy School. If you are from a third world nation, we are giving you an opportunity to apply for a scholarship. And so your cost for school is going to be different. And the scholarship students, you will be able to take school for $10 a month. And this is an automated subscription service. And for our American students, your price will be $90 a month. And again, this is a subscription service. What that means is when you put your debit card or your credit card or whatever it is you're using to pay for school into the enrollment process, every single month, the $90 a month, or if you're a scholarship student, what your cost is, will be deducted from your account automatically every single month. So just be aware that you are enrolling for school, and it will be an automatic payment of $90 a month, or your scholarship price. So just take note that it is automatic until you unsubscribe. And yes, you can unenroll, unsubscribe at any time during your being a student in Legacy School. So if you only want to be in school for 1 month, that's okay. If you decide you want to be in it for 3 years, that's okay. Just recognize that it's a subscription, therefore you are in the school as long as you want to be until you decide that you're done and you unenroll. Okay, so if you have any more questions about that, you can read more details in the frequently asked questions page. But let's move on. We're going to go to the subscribe now button, this big red button right in the middle. It says subscribe now for $90 a month. Go ahead and click it. It will take you to the enrollment page. If you scroll down, it's going to ask you a lot of questions, and it's quite simply, you just fill in the information. What's your name? What's your email? What's your password? Just go ahead and fill it. Take your time. It's going to ask you for your payment information. So for payment for school, you do have to have either a credit card or a debit card of some kind, something with a number, in order to enroll for school. This is an automated process because we have hundreds of thousands of students coming in, so everything has to be automated. So just note that we will not be able to make any exceptions of different ways and different forms of payment. You do have to have some kind of card in order to be enrolled in school, and this is how we just have to do things for now. Okay, so at the very bottom, if you have a coupon of some kind, or if you are a scholarship student, once you get to the end of your scholarship process, if you are awarded with a scholarship because you are someone who is from a third world nation, you will be awarded with a number that you can copy and then paste into this coupon area right here. So it says, do you have a coupon? That is where you will put your number that you got for the scholarship there. Or if you have any kind of coupon, you go ahead and put that in that section. So if you don't have a coupon, also if you have a coupon, make sure you click the other button that says redeem for it to apply. And at the bottom it says subscription fee $90 a month. That will be the kind of the normal price for most students. If you put in a coupon, then that number will change to be whatever your coupon gave you the ability to have. So just double check that number, and all you're going to do is click that button that says buy. Make sure you click the terms and conditions, and if you want to read that, you can. When you click buy, you will then be enrolled into Legacy School. And when you're on to the next steps, when you're fully in the school, the first things that will pop up will be more videos for student orientation, where I will walk you through how to use the school and the technology for the school, and more details about, how it all runs, and, the schedule and everything. So have no fear. I will be there to help you through anything you need. And if you have more questions, let's say you get through this process and you need my help, you can always scroll up on the website. If you go to the top of the website and you click on those 3 bars at the very top right again, you will see a contact option here. So in this list, kind of at the bottom, you have a contact us option. When you click that, it will take you to a page that looks like this, and you can always send me an email. And, when I get to it, I'll do the best that I can to help you, or my assistant will answer your questions. So don't be afraid to use that button. You can always contact us and email us for some help. So I hope this helps you start your journey as a student, and I can't wait to see you in the school. Thanks for listening.